Pressure testing that shows a leak only after a day usually indicates a slow leak. Small volume loss from a poor connection, micro crack, or trapped air realigning under temperature change that still poses a serious safety risk. You need to treat delayed pressure loss like a fingerprint. Start with a documented initial test pressure and time-stamped readings. Then isolate the system into the smallest possible sections and repeat tests to localize the bleed. Use a calibrated manometer with resolution at least 1/100th of a pound per square inch and log readings every 15 minutes for 2 hours to spot low leak rates that typical gauges miss. Check connection torque to manufacturer spec with a calibrated torque wrench because hairline under-torqued fittings often weep slowly, and reseal with approved pipe thread sealant rated for natural gas and propane when retightening. Do not use pipe dope not specified for gas. Inspect flexible connectors and appliance transition fittings visually and with a high sensitivity electronic leak detector set to its low range. Butt connectors and nylon sleeves age and develop micro cracks that only show under prolonged dwell. Perform a sniff test and bubble test with a soap solution on all joints after isolating sections. Bubble size and growth rate help estimate leak rate when combined with segment volume. Consider temperature and barometric effects. Cool nights can slightly lower system pressure, so repeat testing under similar ambient conditions and correct measured pressure for temperature using the ideal gas relation to avoid false positives. If you find a slow leak and cannot immediately repair, shut off the affected segment and post warning tags. Schedule a licensed gas fitter and document all findings and repairs for code compliance. Finally, replace suspect sections rather than patching when corrosion, repeated leaks, or polymer embrittlement is present, because recurring slow leaks are often a symptom of underlying material failure and will worsen. One of the top 3 common mistakes is relying solely on single-point pressure checks instead of extended monitoring for slow leak detection. Fix this by isolating sections, using a high-resolution manometer, and logging readings over several hours. One of the next common issues is assuming small soap bubbles are acceptable. Slow leak soap tests must be quantified. Measure bubble growth, calculate leak rate by segment volume, or use an electronic detector to verify and then tighten or replace the fitting. One of the third mistakes is ignoring ambient temperature and barometric changes that mask or mimic leaks. Correct for temperature when interpreting pressure decay and repeat tests at similar environmental conditions, or adjust using the ideal gas law so you do not miss micro leaks. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner directory that lists qualified local gas fitters and plumbing contractors experienced in pressure testing natural gas and liquid petroleum propane systems. Our site helps homeowners find trusted pros quickly and helps contractors get work by connecting them with nearby customers, searching for certified leak testing and repair services.